Gang shit.
Hey, this shit's so cool. Look at it.
We should have. What's up, LNB gang? It's your boy Breezy.
And it's your girl Ash.
Alright, we are back with another challenge.
Yes, y'all, we are finally back with another challenge. We just went and ran some errands for y'all. We just went and picked up the key ingredients to this video.
Yeah.
Babe, go ahead and tell them what we're doing today. This is so exciting.
It really is. We're doing a dry ice
experiment, challenge, whatever you want to call it. Extreme dry ice experiment. Let's call it that. Basically, there's only one place in here in our city that sells the dry ice. They don't even really sell it for real.
Showed up.
But with this video, what we're doing is we are going to be experimenting with dry ice. I will go ahead and say this. I do not recommend playing with dry ice, throwing it at each other, doing anything crazy with it, because I'm sure, as y'all all know, dry ice is carbon dioxide. Basically, it turns into a gas, but it's literally a dry ice. It sits at a current temperature of a negative 109 degrees. A negative 109 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all what this stuff looks like.
Look what it's doing to the bag.
It comes in a special bag. It's frosting up. I got on special gloves. Do not touch this stuff without gloves, y'all. Do not touch it. But it's a special thick bag. It literally sits at a negative 109 degrees. I'm going to pick some up and show y'all. It is so cold. If you hold this stuff longer than a certain amount of time, it will literally burn through the skin to a form. I was told the place that sells this stuff, which actually, babe, did you get this ice from a place here in our city called Continental Carbonic Products Incorporated, or it's Carbonic. So Continental Carbonic Products Incorporated. And it's literally like a factory. They sell this stuff in bulk for chicken companies. I didn't know this, but they sell this stuff to chicken companies to keep the chicken cold, because it stays so cold all of the time. Anyways, this stuff is super cold, so again, I would not recommend it, playing with it, touching it on the skin. But basically with this video, we're gonna do a couple different cool experiments with it. We're told it releases this cool gas, so it's supposed to make this place look like a sauna in here, in this little closed area we got. Basically, a little egg gang. What we did is we filled up our tub just with a little tiny bit of water, just enough to give it, just enough to give it a little reaction to the ice, since it is dry ice. But we're gonna have baby Breezy put on his gloves too. We both went to the store, got some gloves for protection, so we can get the ice into the tub. We're gonna get a really cool reaction with the smoke. Let's get right to this video. Let's just go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and make sure to share this video, y'all. Let's get it. Love me and little A gang. Make it super, super smoky. Woo! Look at it!
Gang shit.
Hey, this shit's so cool. Look at it.
We should have.
Yo, look at this shit. It's literally a jacuzzi in here.
You can't even see. I got on blue shoes. Look at that.
I do too.
I got on blue shoes.
Hey, it's literally.
That's lit. Ass. That's lit.
This is lit.
You can't see shit.
Whoa, y'all, I'm sitting on the tub right now. I am sitting on the tub. Y'all seen it earlier. It wasn't that smoky. Look at it. Woo! Can you breathe? Look at it.
Whoa, shit.
Hey, look. Look.
Hell, look at that. Hey, that's clean, G.
Hey.
Make you moonwalk in that motherfucker, you feel me?
Oh, look.
It's slippery as hell. And that's dope. Look at this shit. It's literally smoking out in the living room, G. Look. Look at this. Look. Wow. Wow.
Success. Y'all give this video a
thumbs up. Nigga, subscribe too. Not fucking playing.
Subscribe yet, y'all.
Man, look at this shit. This shit all in the room, G.
Look at it coming out of the tub.
Look. It's all coming out the bathroom, literally.
Look.
Look at that.
It got the floor so slippery.
It's like slippery as fuck. I almost bust her ass. Almost busted. Hey, she busted. That's all. Hey, this is a success, G.
Babe, we don't even know if the tub's overflowing, the water was on.
Damn. Yo, it look like the tub is overflowed.
Yeah!
But it's just smoked
It's
out.
just coming up out of me. Woo!
That's a success. Look at all this fucking smoke, G.
I'm unplugging our smoke alarm.
Literally got the whole
I
house
just
smoking.
unplugged our smoke alarm.
Look at that. In our bedroom. In our living room.
Baby smoking.
Look at that. She's all the way in there.
Yeah.
She literally all the way in there.
Woo! This shit is tight as hell. Look at it. Got the whole house smoky.
It was all in this bag. Like, look at that.
Woo! It's still
You couldn't even
lingering.
see. We got the door open. You couldn't even see our shoes at first.
Y'all, it's still.
Freeze the fuck out your body.
Ooh.
That shit crazy, G. What you doing?
That. Look at it. It's so cool. Woo!
Lit.
You can't even see my hand in it, can you?
No.
It ain't wet. Alright, y'all. This is that video. We got a mess to clean up. How's the whole floor wet and dewy? Y'all, if y'all haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Share, subscribe it, like it. Do y'all thing, show y'all love. It's Love Beat and Love A Gang. We out here.
Bang.